We are going to discuss one of the movie of Amitabh Bachchan, that is Pa. नहीं, हम लोग मूवी नहीं डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. In this video we are going to discuss definitely about the Pa, and that Pa is Platyhelminthes, Eschehelminthes and Annelida, and these are the three phylum in the animal kingdom or animal classification. So what is Pa or what is Platyhelminthes, Eschehelminthes and Annelida? All three are helminthes. Helminthes means worms. These all three are worms, and they have some similarity and they have some differences, but their differences modify like this. जो इसमें है उससे बेहतर इसमें, उससे बेहतर इसमें. तभी हमें पता चलता है कि हमारी evolutionary history में how the development has gone. Okay, we will discuss one by one. First phylum is Platyhelminthes. Now, plat means flat. Plat means flat नहीं होता है, ये याद करने के लिए. Flatty means the worms is flat. दिखने में worm कैसा होता है? बिल्कुल flat, ribbon like structure is there. Okay. In this one and in this one they have a cylindrical body. This is Ascaris. This one is tapeworm. And this one is Ascaris. And this one is leech. We may draw here earthworm also. So first of all understand all three worms are हमारे तो ऐसे घर आंगन में बसे पड़े हैं. टेपवर्म बचपन में आप सबके पेट में रहे होंगे. तो टेपवर्म is one of the worm which we were suffering during our old childhood. Ascaris also sometime occur in our body एज वर्म्स. जो हम बात करते हैं कि पेट में कीड़े हो गए, तो ये वही कीड़े हैं सारे के सारे. अर्थवर्म डेफिनेटली हमारे पेट में नहीं होते हैं, या लीच हमारे पेट में नहीं होते, बट दे आर ऑल्सो वर्म्स. सो दिस वन इज फ्लैट. Ascaris is cylindrical in shape, Annelida is also cylindrical in shape. They are unsegmented. They looks like segment, but ये entire एक structure होता है. This is unsegmented. This one is unsegmented and this one is also segmented. But अब हम पहले एक एक करेंगे डिस्कस. सबसे पहला फीचर Platyhelminthes में, which is they are flat worms. They all are flat worms. Okay, this one Platyhelminthes. This is triploblastic. Triploblastic means 3 germs layer: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Okay, that you can see in the caption. So they are triploblastic. They are bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means we can divide them into 2 equal parts, and or you can say we can divide them in a mirror image. एक दूसरे की mirror image बनाते हैं. We can divide them left and right images also. कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. So they are bilateral symmetry. यहाँ एक चीज याद रखिएगा. All three are triploblastic, means made up of 3 germs layer. All 3 have bilateral symmetry, means the body is divided into 2 segments, left and right, from the one of the section. That section must pass from the center. This is a common feature in all 3. Now if we are talking specifically about tapeworm, it is a flatworm. Body is unsegmented. Body unsegmented होती है. Generally they are parasite, but they could be free living. वो free living भी हो सकते हैं. One of the feature that you have to understand here is they have flame cells. Now what is flame cells? Flame cell is an excretory organ which is specifically in tapeworm, and they are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means in this body only they have male and female, both sexual parts are present, and in tapeworm माउथ एंड एनस इज ऑन द सेम साइड. मीन्स अभी इनमें माउथ और एनस में कोई डिवीजन नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है. इसमें मेनली क्या आते हैं? टेपवर्म आता है, लिवर फ्लूक आता है. लिवर फ्लूक इज पैरासाइट इन द लिवर ऑफ शीप एक्चुअली, एंड सम अदर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. नाउ इफ यू मूव अहेड, Ascaris, what you have to do? You have to draw the diagram of tapeworm in your practical file, and again write down the features of tapeworm, main features of the tapeworm, which is given in the captions. Now Ascaris. Ascaris belong from the another phylum, that is Eschehelminthes. Again, already we have discussed it is triploblastic. This is also triploblastic, and triploblastic means made up of 3 germs layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. This shows bilateral symmetry, means we can divide them left and right part. And यहाँ क्या पढ़ा था हमने कि ये hermaphrodite होते हैं, ठीक है, means male and female are on the same organism. Here male and female are in the different organism, means we have a male ascaris, we have a female ascaris, and we can identify male and female ascaris. This one is a female ascaris and this one is male ascaris and this one is female ascaris, and it is easy to understand which one is a male ascaris and which one is a female ascaris. This male ascaris is little coiled and this female ascaris is straight. लड़कियाँ बेचारी सीधी होती है ना ऐसे, सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए है, सिर्फ समझाने के लिए. आई एम नॉट कमेंटिंग ऑन एनी जेंडर. दिस इज द फीमेल ascaris which is comparatively straight. This is the male ascaris which is little coiled. हमने यहाँ बात की थी कि माउथ एंड एनस इज ऑन द सेम पॉइंट. नाउ इन दिस माउथ एंड एनस आर ऑन 2 डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स पर होते हैं एंड दे जनरली एक्सक्रीट थ्रू वॉल्स. ये अपनी वॉल्स से आई मीन जो स्किन है उसी से ये एक्सक्रीट करते हैं बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. Tapeworm also causes disease that is called teniasis, while ascaris cause the disease ascariasis. And these generally during these diseases we have abdominal pain. Sometimes we have bleeding also through the anus. तो कुछ इस तरीके के features हो सकते हैं. Now come on the last one, that is Annelida. Annelida body is cylindrical in shape. आप earthworm को बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा imagine करिए. I could understand that you might not have seen tapeworm and ascaris, but earthworm, और आजकल तो बारिश के दिन है, very easily earthworm you can watch and you can see, but don't touch it without any gloves के, नहीं छूना है उसको. ये earthworm नहीं है, ये मैंने लीच बनाया हुआ है. earthworm की बॉडी सेगमेंटेड होती है, इनकी बॉडी सेगमेंटेड होती है. If we compare from both of these, in this mouth and anus both are on the different points. जहाँ से खाते हैं कहीं और जगह से निकलता है, जबकि इसमें माउथ और एनस जो है वो एक ही जगह पर थे. लाइक टेपवर्म दे आर ऑल्सो हर्माफ्रोडाइट. ओके, बहुत आसान है इसको याद रखना कि ये हर्माफ्रोडाइट कैसे होते हैं. वी यूज टू से दैट अर्थवर्म इज फार्मर्स फ्रेंड. वी नेवर से ना कि earthworm is farmer's boyfriend or farmer's girlfriend, like that. No, it means earthworm is the organism in which hermaphrodite character is there, in which both there is no criteria like male and female. They have a common organism in which both male and female structures are present. जैसे जैसे हम आगे गए हैं एवोल्यूशन में, नॉट एवोल्यूशन, डेवलपमेंट में, क्लासिफिकेशन में, हम देखते हैं कि धीरे धीरे बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस हमारी बॉडीज़ में आते गए. इन दिस mouth and anus are on 2 different points. Like all both of these two, they are also triploblastic, means body is made up of 3 layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. They have a characteristic feature of nephridia. Now what is nephridia? Nephridia is a excretory organ of earthworm. और हम इसको अभी 11th-12th में जब जाएंगे we will discuss nephridia in detail because it is very close to our nephrons. Exactly ऐसे नहीं है कि उनका कोई स्ट्रक्चर मैच करता है, लेकिन हाँ ये बाकी ऑर्गेनिज्म के कंपैरेटिवली काफ़ी एडवांस एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम दे हैव. They have locomotory organ and that locomotory organ is CT. क्या बोलते हैं? CT or parapodia. Why we called it parapodia? We called it parapodia because they are present. Para means periphery पर. Podia means pad. Pseudopodia पढ़ा है ना हमने अमीबा में. In the similar way, parapodia is there. That is CT or the locomotory organ is present on the entire body. With the help of that they can move. So we have discussed triploblastic, we have discussed bilateral symmetry, we have discussed the body is segmented and ring-like projections are there. We have discussed about nephridia, hermaphrodite and CT, and they have regeneration capacity. Means if one of the part of earthworm is cut, it can regenerate that part. Okay. लीच के बारे में क्या खास बात है? लीच if falls on our body, it can suck blood from our body. So generally all these organisms are parasite, and somehow some are free living also. I have discussed only one organism from each phylum, but most of them are parasitic in nature, and most of them are worms, and somehow they are taking digested food from our body. So they are parasitic in human body, they are parasitic in animals also. So in this video I have this much only. Draw all these diagrams, write down their properties, and I will show another video in which I will try to show all these organisms as they look. बट अभी एक बार ड्रॉ करने की प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको यहाँ पर करना जरूरी है. टिल देन टेक केयर, गुड बाय.